So what you see here is my 1967 Alfa Romeo Sprint Veloce 105, or Step Nose as they're called. It's 5 years in the making. We're almost on the home straight, and part of the mods that we've done, as we call it a RestoMod, is to fit the Alfa Romeo 2-litre Twin Spark engine. What you can see here is a different rocker cover from the original Twin Spark, so it's a billet aluminium one. But one of the differences is that this doesn't come with a breather system. So what I intend to do is show you how I've made a breather which goes into the place where the white tape is, which used to have a blanking plate. So I bought the original Alfaholics breather plates, and I've chosen to modify one of those so we can get a breather system out of the rocker cover using a aluminium plate, a -12 weld-on bung, a right-angled fitting, and then a length of tube which is going to go down to a catch tank that we're going to try and put in, and maybe in another video. So here are the parts that are going to be used. You can see the weld-on bung, the right-angle fitting, and the length of the braided hose. So what I did was I've taken a profile from the original breather plate, and I don't know if you can see the little scratch marks around the outside and the position of the two holes, and here's the gasket which was originally going to be used. So the plan is I'm going to cut the outside profile out with a hacksaw. I'm going to drill those two holes which mount it to the car, and then I'm going to bore a bigger hole into the middle and allow the position where we can do the weld-on bung. So let's get on with cutting it out. So now we've got the step drill loaded up, and 20mm is the biggest diameter of that, so we're going to go all the way through. Okay, so a lot of hacksawing, draw filing and some other bits and pieces and grubby fingers. We've now got a plate which is shaped up, very much like the gasket. So all we need to do now is glue that fitting onto the bracket. So here it is glued together. I've used my preferred option of aluminium solder for this, so I don't know how well you can see it, but just trickled some in on that joint. Pretty pleased with how that's worked out. And then if you look at it from the front, you basically, if I get the camera in the right place. So with the wonders of the internet, I've just lubricated that up on the end. I spent a couple of minutes swearing and pushing that on, and then hopefully it's just a case of engaging the thread. And then we're going to need to use a couple of spanners just to pull that up, but almost there, and ultimately that's going to fit in the end. So let's finish tightening this up and then we'll try it on the car. So now what we've got to do is fit the breather. And there it is fitted. Hopefully you can see a nice bit of clearance between it and the radiator fan, but obviously there's ways of adjusting that if we need to. Need to come up with a bit of a plan on what we're going to do with that breather tube. Where we're going to put it, are we going to clip it back, are we going to make a bottle so that we can make that look a little bit tidier. But that's the project. Thanks for watching, and the usual, like and subscribe, and hopefully we can bring you some more content soon.